Hi guys, it's Yasar Raja and you are watching my YouTube channel. We are here with another shortcut today, not in the kitchen but in the car. This is Mercedes w212, but this the method will be the same for 12, 13 and even for 11 as well. So we are gonna reset the transmission. Sometimes you get the error, the car will not change the gears properly, harsh gear change and stuff. So just to avoid that, we should reset your transmission every now and then. So it's very simple step. First of all, turn the engine off and key on the second step so the lights are on. And now we're gonna press the gas pedal all the way down, and leave it down there for about 10 seconds. That's the minimum requirement. 10 seconds, count to 10, and that's it. So keep that down. Now turn this ignition off and leave it off for 2 minutes. We're back for after 2 minutes. Now we are going to let the gas pedal go, turn the engine on, and drive for about 15 minutes. In these 15 minutes, your car ECU will learn how you drive. So your driving style does matter here, because if you drive harshly, your ECU will learn harsh gear change, so you will not have a comfortable drive. So drive as normal as you normally do. So guys, this was it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as well, if you are interested in kitchen and cooking. See you in next video. Bye.